Hey guys, today we have a cab white fiberglass Jason Pace series. It's the 99 to 06 Chevy GMC trucks, full-size trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. It's an older unit. It does have some miles on it, a little bit of wear. We'll look at it here. It is red in color. Has a scratch right there. It does have a lot of clear coat peel, so you'll see a lot of the clear coat peeling on here. Kind of see whether there's no clear coat on the top. A bunch of scratches though. So the top's got some scratches on it. Pretty much all over the top there. It did have a ladder rack bolted into the top at one point in time. So that's probably where the scratches came from them loading stuff on this. Kind of see the scratches there and the paint and the clear coat and the flies. There we go. Down through here, clear coat comes back, and then the paint looks pretty good again. A couple of nicks and scratches right there. Little scuffs on the bottom edge. So this is more of a work top, or a that's what they used it for. It had a ladder rack on it. It's not a beauty contest winner by any means. Half side sliders on the side. A couple nicks in the front here. A little bit of a crack here in the fiberglass. You can see the top is scratched and clear coat. A couple nicks there. And some scratches right there. Picture window in the front. Side looks a lot better than the other side, but a bit of a scratch there in the paint. Basically the same thing as the other side. Scratches on there, the bolts for the ladder rack. Little nicks and scratches down there. And most of it's up on the roof. But you're not going to see a lot of that anyways when you have it put on your truck. Bottom edge on this side looks pretty good. Really not a lot of damage on this side. Clear coat peel across that top edge above the window. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Couple scuffs there. Rear door was replaced with Lexan. That's got a Lexan panel in it. Tinted Lexan even. Screen's got a couple snags in it. There. And I see another one here someplace. There it is. Right there. Another little one right there. So, couple snags in it. Now you can look at this crack up here. It was repaired. It's the one we looked at on the other side. It's been repaired. Oops. Yeah, so I think that'll be fine. Screens on this side is a lot better than the other side. No holes. Oh, there was. I see it right there now. Can't find it. There it is. Small little hole right there. And you got a couple down here. Right there. That's really not, that's about it. It's a Jason. Short bed Chevy, 99 to 04. It's 04, but it means it probably was built in 04. So 99 to 06. It's a Pace series. But pretty decent unit. I mean, it's not pretty by any means, but it's pretty solid. So there it is, cab high fiberglass Pace series by Jason. It's 1999 to 2006. Chevy GMC trucks, Sierra Silverado, full-size trucks with the 6.5 foot bed, Victory Red in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website. So you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general. So if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those can all be purchased from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain model, color, brand, style, cab high, what have you, for your truck, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you'll want to hit the subscribe button below to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, they are local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.